Good evening. It is that time of day that we take a look at some interesting weather happening around the world now. And there's certainly plenty to talk about in the Western Pacific at the moment. We've got a typhoon, Francisco, that's going to be making its way close to southern Japan shortly. After it makes landfall in Kyushu in Japan, it will then head towards South Korea. So some very heavy rain, up to about 200 millimetres, flooding possible here. A bit further south, another tropical storm, which is likely to push close to Taiwan and then into coastal parts of eastern China. So some heavy rain across this part of the world. There's also been flooding across the Philippines, and over the next few days we keep the intense rainfall across parts of the Philippines as well. So we're keeping a close eye on those tropical storms. Some of the cities that may be affected by torrential rainfall over the next 5 days or so: Taipei, for instance, also Hong Kong and Shanghai likely to see heavy rain. Now this picture comes from Mumbai. The monsoon rains have been particularly heavy over recent days. There has been widespread flooding, rail stations, for instance, roads too. In fact, if we take a look at some rainfall totals from Maharashtra over the past 2 days, there's been nearly 700 millimetres of rain falling in the Western Ghats. This is a hill station. Even down at sea level, this port city has had 425 millimetres in just 2 days. So severe flooding, and there's more of that heavy rain to come. Here's the satellite image. It shows where we've had the areas of cloud. Now, if we look at the next few days, the west coast of India once again will receive further torrential rainfall, perhaps up to 500 millimetres in a few spots. We're also seeing heavy rain pushing across central and northern parts of India over the next few days. Myanmar and Bangladesh could well see further flooding too.